Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm going to show y'all how I clean my lash clusters. Because I'll be taking them off all through the house, taking them off, putting them places until I started putting them in this pill case. You know, the days of the week pill case. So, and I like to reuse my lash clusters. So I'm going to show you how I clean them. Okay, let me put this down. Okay, so I have lash clusters from several different companies. I have the Kiss Foscara. So I've already cleaned these and put these back in the pack. And by clean them, I mean getting the adhesive, the glue off of them, so I can wear them again. Else they're gonna look all yucky. I have the Lilac Street. That's a good brand. Lilac Street. And up here. And I have the Onces. This is a off-brand I got from Amazon. And the ones I use the most are the Calalis. I also use their glue. And I don't use the same glue that you use for strip lashes. I use lash cluster glue. Okay, so this is how I put them in here, all jumbled up. So I'm going to clean these. And these come from all different brands, all different lengths. So I've already put alcohol, just regular rubbing alcohol, in these little compartments of this pill case. So just put them in here in the alcohol. And the alcohol will dissolve the glue. But I don't know which lashes came from which company, and I really don't know the lengths, because they look all pretty much the same when they're off. So this is what I'm doing, putting them in this alcohol solution. Y'all see that? Ooh! I just wasted it. And I'm going to put them back in these cases. So I'll be back when I'm actually cleaning them. This is a better angle of what I'm doing. There's the lashes in the alcohol. There's the cases. There's a case, here's a case I'm going to clean with alcohol. Here's the brush I'm going to use. Here's the tweezers. What else I got? Here's the alcohol pad that I'm going to use to clean the inside of these cases, because there's a lot of adhesive in here. Okay? This is what I do. Take the end of this brush, or either the tweezers, and I'm just swirling the lashes around in this alcohol to kind of loosen that glue. You can't see me doing it, but I don't want to waste no more alcohol. Okay, now I'm going to take the lashes out. Put them on this paper towel I got here. Come on now. So I have the length I like the best is two lengths, like the 10-inch and the 12 not inch millimeter. 10 millimeter and the 12 millimeter lashes. But I have all sizes. I got some up to 16, and I find that those are way too long for me. I don't like the extra long look. So, oh, y'all can't see what I'm doing. I'm basically taking the end of this little brush. It's kind of stiff. Dipping it in the alcohol and cleaning off the adhesive. Brushing it off onto the paper towel. So there's no more glue. And alcohol dries real fast, so they'll be ready to put in the case. Okay, let me get closer to what y'all can see. I'm dipping this in the alcohol, holding this down with my nail and just brushing it. I wish y'all could see the glue that's coming off of here. That way I ain't got to keep buying these lashes, because they do last. And I actually prefer the clusters rather than the strips. And they are so easy to put on, and I don't even feel them, and nothing actually touches my skin. Don't touch my eyelid. Everything is on my lash, and my lashes haven't came out. And depending on how I sleep, these will stay on for quite a few days at a time. Sometimes I forget I got them on because I don't feel them. And I rub my eyes. And I say, oh shoot, I got on these lashes. And then I crunch the lashes all up. So I have to take them off and start over. Okay, there's a lot of glue on this. Okay. Okay, when you got all the glue off, you can take the spoolie end and just brush them, but make sure and to make the lashes fan out like they're supposed to. Clean all this off. So this is good. Well, y'all ain't gonna be able to see it. It's nice and clean and free from any glue residue. And the lash is nice and fanned out. Here's another one. I still see a little bit of glue right on the band. So I'm going to make sure I get it off. Dipping it in the alcohol, brushing it right on the band where I see it. It's coming off. I see the lash stuck to this spoolie. Okay. I'm going to brush it. Get this off of here. I'm going to brush this lash. Make sure the glue is off. Okay. I'm separating the lashes and make them fan out like they're supposed to. Just like brand new. Look at that. I like the way false lashes look, and I did learn how to put them on, but I prefer these. Okay, that's how it looks cleaned. I'm going to show y'all one that's full of glue. Let me see. Some of these are horrible because I wear them over and over, and I put them back in the case, and they got glue on them, and get the case all gluey. Okay, this one right here. It's stuck. So much glue is stuck to my fingernails. Okay. This one has glue. Oh, that's 2 lashes in one. Well, that's full of glue. I'm thinking this is 2 lashes. Well, okay, let me clean it. Get off of my nail. Dip it in alcohol and start brushing. Now you don't have to be gentle with them. I mean, these are good lashes, so they're not tearing up at all. And never try to clean them when you got them on your eyes. Of course, you wouldn't use alcohol, no way. Yeah, it's a lot of glue. And basically just brushing them until the adhesive comes off. And it actually looks like it's good for the lashes, making it go into the natural curl shape. And y'all see I'm not being gentle with this. They're not fraying or frizzing or anything. It looks clean to me. Y'all can't see. Well, I don't know how to make you see better. I really don't. I don't know how to angle the camera. But y'all get an idea of what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. Okay, let me put... Oh, I didn't clean this case. Okay, it's glue stuck in here from putting them old lashes in there. So I'm taking the alcohol pad and just cleaning the excess glue out of the case. Alcohol works wonders on lash adhesive. Okay, well, that's clean enough for me to put the lashes back in here. Let me clean this. It was a mess. And this one too. Scrub this one. Okay. Oh, the little thing came out. Yep. The little metal pin came out the end for the lid. And I'm putting it back in there. Okay. It's going back. 'Cause I don't want to lose the case. Okay, it's in there. So a clean long lash. Putting it back in the case. And they got their own sticky strip that the lash will stick back on. So it's like I got me some new lashes, y'all. Oh, that's dirty. Okay. Well, y'all get the idea of how I clean my lash clusters. So, let me see. Like I said, I've already cleaned these. Stuck them back in the case. Clean the Cicero brand. Put them back in their case. But these are brands from all the brands that I have, because I don't know which came from which box. And all the lengths are mixed up. So when I put my lashes on again, they're going to be a collage of everything that I have here. So I wonder how that's going to look. So I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up. I'm going to try to get the camera angles and the lighting better next time. So y'all have a blessed day, okay? Bye.